Hello guys, so in the last video we have created Laravel project for API. So next we would create a database tables. So let's write the code for the database table. So first we would remove the extra table there. So that cache table is extra, we do not need it, so we would remove that. So let's select the cache table and we would delete it. Also we would delete the create job table and the two-factor table also. Next, we would remove all the default columns from the user table. Just leave the ID and timestamp there. So first we would type table, then string, and the string would accept arguments which would be the name of the column. So pass here username, and we want that username should be unique. So let's pass the unique function there. Next, we would create all the columns we needed in the registration screen. So let's duplicate this, and this should be email. Next, we would pass phone, then password, avatar, then first name, last name, about, and let's remove this one. So these are the all columns we needed there. So some of them we would pass from the registration screen, and the other we would set after the registration of user, like profile setting. Then from .env file we would copy the database name. You can set any database name here, but by default the database name is same like the project name. So let's open the XAMPP controller, and from the manage server, if you haven't started the MySQL database and Apache server, you can start it. I have already started, so I would click on the go to application, then click on the PHP my admin, and here we would create a new database. Let's paste the name and click on create. So our database is created. Next we would migrate the table into our database. So let's minimize this. So let's open the terminal, and here type php artisan migrate. So these are the two tables which are just migrated to our database, but there are some default tables which would also show there. So let's click on the database. So let's click on the database, and there we would have all the tables. In the next video we would create login and register API.